Completed in 1880, the Park Avenue Armory was designed by Charles Clinton and occupies a full city block. The main facade faces Park Avenue, with the entrance behind a bronze gate. The building uses red brick and granite in its monumental facade. Interior spaces were designed by others, including the Veterans Room by Stanford White and Louis Comfort Tiffany, a renovation by Herzog and Meuron and PBDW Architects was completed in 2016. The vaulted drill hall is used for art exhibitions and events. Stop in the beautiful Veterans Room for a drink or a snack and enjoy your visit.